What if I told you there's a snake so small it fits on a coin? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the world's tiniest snake. The Barbados thread snake is just 4 inches long. It's thinner than a spaghetti noodle. Found only on the Caribbean island of Barbados. They mostly live under rocks and in forest soil. This tiny snake feeds on the larvae of ants and termites. Despite their small size, they play a vital role in the ecosystem. Their Latin name is Tetrachilostoma carli. They're often mistaken for earthworms due to their size. But unlike worms, they have scales and tiny eyes. Imagine spotting one in the wild! So the next time you think of snakes, remember the Barbados thread snake.